So hello everyone, how we are doing today? So I just want to start the class right now. So let's go over to Pinterest and type in coding test because we'll be using coding test for this design, and I'm showing you how to use coding test, how to create coding test using just your phone. So let's type in coding text effect. Okay. For that, you see a lot of coding test effects you can choose or choice, but I'm basically using this one for mine. So after that, I'm just going over to download it. Press download and okay, let's move over to Gemini. I know most of us have heard about Gemini, so let's go over to Gemini and import our image. Okay, after importing, let's prompt change this text to Wheezy. So Wheezy is the text we are changing to, and this text we'll be using for our design today. So let's just wait a little while for it to load. So okay, so let's just download it. So let's just download it and so after that, let's move straight to our Google. Let's remove the background. Try this AI image photo. Let's just remove the background here. This site I normally use to remove my background. So let's upload it. Let's upload our image and now wait for it to load. So after that, just download it. So okay, let's move over to our Pinterest. Yeah, we are going to let's move over to our image size and now type in 1080 okay, and 1250. So the size we're going to be using for our design today. And let's import our image. Go to that plus icon, or you can choose from import. Okay, let's try this. No, this is not what we are doing. Let's move back. So let's go over to import. Let's import. Let's import our image. So look at this is other way to import your image, or you can use that plus sign over at the top, or you can still use this import too. So after this, we are just going to import again. Okay, let's check for our background, and let's check for our background to be using for this design. Let's go. I need like a background of green. Yeah, should have some little bit of green. Let's check. Okay, let's use this background. Yeah, so I can change color later. Let's just use this background. So let's scale it up and take it to the back. Let's take it to the back. I've seen it. So after this, we're just going over to change the color, the background color. We're going to change the background color. So let's no, this is, sorry, let's go back. Let's go to okay, let's go to color filter. Yeah, let's go to color filter and scale it down a little. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. So after this, we're just going to be importing. Let's go over to import. Let's go over to import our text. seen it. Let's go back to import our text and let's press OK. So let's scale it down a little, bring it, scale it, just arrange this properly, arrange this well. And I told you guys before, alignment is really important when it comes to design. So let's this is our layer too. Our layer, let's go over to writing our collection, that is Wheezy collection, and let's write in our collection. Sorry, I said collaboration. Sorry. Let's write in our collection. So okay, and this is what we're looking for. So let's go back to make it fab. I'll see. Let's so basically let's just go over to our text. Let's select fonts, good fonts to be using for the design. Filter my font, let's press OK. So after this, we are just you're just going over to okay. So let's go over to create our shape. Sorry. Let's create our shape. What's the issue? What's the issue? Okay, let's create our shape. Let's create our shape. Okay, let's arrange it properly to fit into the, because here is where we are writing our services. So let's make it look sharp. And so this is our ruler to make sure we're on the same page. This is our ruler to make sure we're on the same page and make it look straight. So just try to make it look straight and neat. Okay, so after that I just want to make the shape look curved. Let's unlock the background. Okay, let's make it look curved. I don't like it like this. So okay, all right. So let's go back to edit. And increase the radius to make it curve. Okay, so arrange it properly, and now okay. So let's increase this Wheezy. Let it be bold. So let's bring this collection down. Let's arrange it properly and okay, let's lock it. So so let's add in our color. Okay, let's add this color. Let's add this color. Sure this color will work. I'm not sure this color will work. I'm not sure this color will work. Anyhow, let's just create another shape and use it. This is where we're writing our services. Just going to put in our services here and so let's reduce it and okay, let's make it fit properly and line. Okay, so let's change the color. Let's go to gradient. Let's change it. Wow, I love this color. So let's after this we're just going to change our white color to, and those that is wondering how do I came about with this gradient green color. So I went over to color, gradient, and click the plus sign. You seen it? Have you seen this other side? Let's press color. Choose our color. Choose our light green and go to the other side and press color and change to the dark green. You can see it green. You can see it the other side. The upside is light and the green side is the down is summer dark. So that is I can buy color. So let's basically add this our into a light. Yeah, this color will work. So after this, let's just basically okay. Let's just increase our radius to make it curve. So let me bring in my text. So our services, let's just okay. Let me begin my test. So our services. Alright, let's go back to text. Let's go back to text, add text, and double click it twice. Click twice, or you press edit. Okay, let's write in. Let's be to capital letter. Yes, our services capital letter, and press OK. Let's change the font. That's the typography or text I said earlier today. So let's go over to our color. Our text. Let's make it fit properly. So we know our goal here is to make our work look neat and simple. Simplicity. Make our work look neat and simple. So let's basically, we are going to write our services. So what we offer, the things we do. Let's copy. Okay. Let's go back to our text, edit. Go back to let's bring it down. Let's bring it down. Go back to edit, and yeah. So okay, let's add this to the back. Okay. Let's go over to our line spacing. Let's scale it. Let's okay. After that, we're just going over to our font. Let's use that same font. Whenever I'm designing, let me tell you the method I do use. I don't use more than 3 fonts for a design. Even if I want to reuse, I know there is fonts that really complement each other. I don't use any other font for my design. So after that, just going over to arrange it properly to make it look neat. Let's arrange it properly. That's our main goal here, is to make it look neat. So after this, we are just going over to be adding our shape. This shape I'm creating now is where we're going to be putting our images. We're going to put our images here. So let's arrange it to make it. You can just play with this, make it look sharp and so copy it. Are you seeing the copy? I copied it, so I copied it. You can copy yours. Sorry, let's scale it down a little bit and copy it again. I'll bring it down. Okay, so let's tap it and go over to texture. See, how to add our image to that shape. Go over to texture. So okay, let's add in our image. Go over to our texture. screw up and scale it to make it fit properly. Scale it and tap the other one. Okay, so let's add in our image. Sorry. Let's go back to the mistake. Let's tap it, click it to go back to texture. This is how to add image to your film. Go back to texture and add in our text. Go back to texture again, scale it down and scale it properly. Let's scale it. So let's press OK. So just going to arrange this to make it look neat and so let's go back to our stroke. Go back to our stroke and adding a little bit of white stroke to it. No, this stroke is too much. Let's go back to stroke again. Let's just decrease it to 6. Cut is 9. Let's just decrease to 6. Press OK. So going over to adding the stroke again. At our stroke, adding it in this other image. So let's just increase to 6. Okay, right? Okay, and I space it out. So this is nice. So after this, we are just going to add in our WhatsApp logo for call. Well, okay, let's go to downloads. It seems I have WhatsApp logo on my. Let me check. So let's scroll down. Let me check. Okay, yeah, I have it. So let's import. Let's scale it down a little. Let's scale it down a little bit. So scale it down to. So at this next step, we're going to bring in our phone number. This is my phone number. Oh, don't use my phone number. This is your phone number. This is my phone number. This is is a podcast section. So this is your phone number. So my phone number. After this, you're going to edit. Okay, let's add our phone number and scale it up a little. To our text and adding text. Okay, so let's scale it. So we are done with this design. So let's just lock our image. Let's lock our image. So you need to be working also. As a designer, you need to be looking at your layouts. So we are done with this design. Are you seeing it? Very amazing. This is how to design using your smartphone. Very easy, simple, no stress. Let's go over to export our image. Exporting, we have two type of export. You can export on PNG, that is transparent, or JPEG. But I'm exporting on JPEG. So let's see if our design is. We are done with the design. Are you seeing it? Wow. Thank you very much for staying to the end. Really appreciate you guys. See you tomorrow in class.